So this next story is just more funny than anything else because we are obviously not going to see Donald Trump's tax returns. But remember how Donald Trump has been saying since 2015 that if it were up to him, he would show us his taxes, but they're under audit. If and when they're ever no longer under audit, he's going to release his tax returns. Now, that never made sense. Anybody who could think critically realized it never made sense because obviously not all of his recent tax returns would permanently be under audit. And of course, audits don't last years and years. But in any case, it was an excuse Trump gave for not showing his taxes. His personal attorney, Rudy Giuliani, maybe it's his former personal attorney at this point, I don't know. He went on Fox News and he said, listen, there's got to be finality here. Trump's taxes have been audited and it's been closed and we're moving on. You can't now, again, Congress or investigators ask for Trump's taxes. He's indirectly saying we need a final point on this because the whole audit thing has been closed up. Well, if the audits are done, let's see the tax returns, right? Here is Rudy Giuliani himself saying it. They've been audited and it's fine. And these are now closed matters as far as he's concerned.
Could make the argument that they have no particularized need for it. You could also make the argument that they are not investigating any particularized crime. They have no reason to believe that there's anything wrong with his tax returns. I mean, all these tax returns have been, by and large, maybe not the last one, but all of them have been audited. All of them have been either passed on or settled. And there should be some finality in your tax returns. In other words, we get audited, we make a deal, we pay the government. You don't come after me forever for that. And also, this is the President of the United States. There are literally 4,000 prosecutors who can now come after his records. I don't think the court ever thought of that.
All these tax returns have been audited and there should be finality. Rudy says, you get audited, you make a deal, and that's it. He is saying there that the issue of the tax returns is over because Trump is no longer under audit and he has moved on. He's saying you do the audit ends and that's it. You don't keep looking at the same returns that have been audited. He's admitting that the audits are done if they ever existed. Now, maybe even more interesting there is Rudy saying Trump's audits aren't just done, but they've been settled. When Rudy says that they've been settled, it implies, again, talk about self-inflicted damage. You settle audits and pay fines when you've done something wrong on your tax returns. And Rudy Giuliani there, again, just as an aside, seems to say, not only are the audits done, but they've been resolved. Sometimes, you pay a fine and you move on, which seems to be an admission that Donald Trump has been deceptive enough on his tax returns. You can always claim it was a mistake, but that he has had to pay fines or make good or settle with the IRS when it comes to his taxes. It's stunning that this is not getting more attention. It's stunning that a lot of people used to respect Rudy Giuliani. And again, the reminder is we're not going to see the tax returns, right? To be super clear, Trump was never going to release the tax returns. The Supreme Court's decision isn't going to get them released before the election. And the important thing for us is we don't need to see them to know how to vote in November. It's not like we're saying, on one hand, I don't like these things Trump has done. And on the other hand, this wasn't so bad. But if I could only see the tax returns, I'd be able to decide what to do in November. Take solace in that even though we're not going to see Trump's tax returns, we don't really need to. We already know what we should be doing in November when it comes to Trump versus Biden. And I think that's if you're looking for any positive takeaway from any of this, it's we've got enough information to know how to vote in November without seeing Donald Trump's tax returns. Tonight, join me at 8 p.m. Eastern on YouTube and Twitch and Facebook for the third ever David Pakman Show chess tournament. I'll be playing and streaming. Anybody can play. Community event, no cost to play. No barrier to entry. It's completely free. Just register at davidpakman.com/chess. That's tonight to Tuesday, July 14th, 8 p.m. Eastern. I will see you then. And of course, remember that you can get the daily audio podcast every single day, right around 3 p.m. Eastern on whatever is your favorite podcasting app, Spotify, iTunes, Google Play Podcast, Podbean, if you will. Anyway, wherever you want to hear it, you can hear it. One of our sponsors today is Helix Sleep, and it's a sponsor I'm thrilled about because I sleep on a Helix mattress at home, and it's just the perfect mattress. One of the best things about Helix is you don't have to guess which mattress do I need, which one will be good for me. You take their famous sleep quiz on their website, you tell them your body type, your sleeping position, your back pain issues you might have, and they will pair you with a mattress that will be perfect for you. I took the sleep quiz. The mattress they suggested was exactly what I needed. I often get too hot at night. The mattress keeps me cool. It's not too soft. It's not too firm. The texture is right. And I've just been getting way better sleep. You only buy a mattress every decade or so. Don't get stuck with something that's not perfect for you. And all Helix mattresses come with a 10-year warranty, and they'll even come to your house and pick it up within 100 days if you don't love it. But I think you will. All of my viewers will get up to $200 off your order, and you'll get 2 super premium pillows for free when you go to the link right underneath this video.